Hello guys, welcome back and happy new year. Okay, today in this video we come back to TUSD and we congrats to TUSD with have the partnership with the Wombat Exchange, and in this video I will guide to you guys how to staking in the TUSD liquidity pool to earn the Worm token rewards with the minimum slippage. Okay, let's go. First, we look into the TUSD.io first. Okay, TUSD is the first regulated stablecoin that freely backed by the US dollar. And the TUSD now is live access on chain, as you guys know. And we have the Wombat Exchange link here. I will be putting in the description of this video, and also TUSD link for you guys to follow. So let's enter the app.wombat.exchange.spawn. You will find the TUSD here. Here is a TUSD, and with the APR that's quick up to 3.75%. And when you click here, it will show your liquidity option. You click here. Okay, first it is in a BNB Financial Chain, so you need to connect the wallet. I will choose the MetaMask here, but depend on you guys which wallet you usually use. Okay, it will show you the world network, so you need to join to the BNB Chain. Okay, good job. Okay, next time is the deposit option. You can enter the amount of TUSD here, and also you can click the setting here to change the slip rate. You can use the 0.1% or 0.5%, or you can custom the slip rate yourself here. You can use a minimum one or maximum one, no problem, that's the choice. Okay, then you click the add to add first, and start the deposit and stake the TUSD. This also have the withdraw option here, and you guys do the same when you deposit the TUSD. Once more, I think it is the squad option on the website that you can find the TUSD here to subscribe to another token to the TUSD. Okay, it is the end of the video today, and hope you guys have a happy New Year's, and with you I had a good time with your family and friends.